If you've lost access to your Amazon account and can't use your email, you can still recover it by following these steps. This guide will help you regain access to your account using alternative methods. Step 1. Visit the Amazon sign-in page. Go to the Amazon website and click on the sign-in button. On the sign-in page, look for the option that says Need Help and click on it to proceed. Step 2. Select Forgot Your Password. Once you are on the Help page, choose the Forgot Your Password option. This will guide you to the password recovery process. Step 3. Enter your phone number. Instead of your email, enter the phone number associated with your Amazon account. Make sure to use the correct format and click on Continue to receive a verification code. Step 4. Verify your identity. Check your phone for a text message from Amazon containing a verification code. Enter this code on the website to verify your identity and proceed to the next step. Step 5. Create a new password. After successfully verifying your identity, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before and confirm it to finalize the recovery process. Once you've completed these steps, you should be able to access your Amazon account again. If you encounter any issues, consider contacting Amazon customer support for further assistance.